What's up, everyone? I am Jamie with Three Little Goats Homestead, and today is an exciting day. One, the moves are moved to the front pasture, which is always my favorite place for them to be because I can look out right on the front porch and see them. But we're also moving the twins in with the herd. So they haven't been with the herd yet because we didn't want them nursing. We're hoping, since they were bottle babies and they're a little bit older, they won't. So Jesse's got it set up so we can get them moved. She's like, nope. Here she comes. Meatloaf's coming behind you, honey. Alright. So they have been exposed to hot wire. The paddock that they're in has a hot wire around it, but they've never been on just a single strand. So we figure this paddock will be a good start because it's got the 3-strand on it. Alright, so they're gonna hang out right here probably. The rest of the herd is over by the black walnut tree. So we'll come check on them here in a little bit. Jesse's gonna give them a snack. They're like, we got new pasture, we're good.
Yeah.
Meatloaf will get his buddy back tomorrow. So if you've been around here for a while, you probably know Alexa and Alexi. They're not twins, but I call them the twins because they're the same age, but we bought them, so they're not related to any of our milk cows right now. And our girls aren't really nurse cow material. So I'm not too concerned with them trying to sneak a couple nips off of the girls, but we will keep an eye on them just in case. So for now, they're still hanging out. They found their snacks. Hopefully the rest of the herd will take to them pretty quickly. I don't think we'll have any issues, but we will keep a close eye. All right, so I'm getting ready to go feed Tex, Mr. Texas Roadhouse. And it looks like the girls are slowly starting to integrate. Chucky has checked him out a few times. Sassy's right there. She was hanging out with them until I came over, and now she's off to find the rest of the herd. But so far they're doing pretty good. Oh, excuse you, Gravy. What's up, Tex? You ready for dinner? You ready for dinner? You already had your dinner, Gravy. Yes, you did. Excuse me, I need to come in, please. Oh, thank you all. Hi, Gravy. I know, you want your taps. So the plan is to move Tex probably tomorrow. Jesse will hopefully wait until I get home from the market. If he decides to do it before I get home, I don't know if he'll actually record it, but I guess we'll find out here in a second. Alright, y'all, it has been about 2 days now, and what happened isn't what we were really expecting to happen. We didn't have any of the girls nursing on the cows, which was great, but I'm going to turn you around here for a second. But if you can tell, the twins are right there, back in their original paddock, and the cows are in their paddock. Now, the winter paddock that the twins are in and have been in does have hot wire all the way around it. So they have been exposed to hot wire. But we figured, since they were kind of new to it, we would start them in this front paddock because it's got 3 strand instead of just the one. Our big pasture and the chute that runs and connects all the pastures to the milking stand is just a single strand. And they have access to that because that's how they get back and forth from the water to the milk parlor. But unfortunately, the one strand just isn't quite enough for them. They're still small enough that they can just walk right under it. They do get a shock, which means they walk under it and then they take off into that paddock that we don't want them in. So for now, they're gonna hang out and they're gonna continue to hang out with Meatloaf. So we're gonna hold Tex still over with the goats until he is probably weaned, just because it's a lot easier for me to feed him his bottles every day over in the goat paddock versus going all the way down to the winter pasture. And plus, Jesse doesn't let me go past the hot wire if the cows are around. So in order for me to continue to feed him, he needs to stay over with the goats. Side though, the meat chickens are looking fabulous and they're about ready to go to the freezer farm. They're happy. And they've knocked all their water out, so I gotta give them some water. We're over here. I figure I'd give you guys an update on the turkeys. I can't remember if I had put in a video that we finally moved the turkeys outside. I know I put it on an Instagram story. I can't remember if it's actually been in a video, but this was another plan that didn't go as planned. So we put the turkeys out here and they've been doing great. They've been out here for about a week and a half now. And so we were hoping to let them out on the grass over here, but they're still too small and they go right through the netting. So they're stuck in their tractor for a few more weeks as well. It's almost feeding time if you couldn't tell, but Tex is hanging out right there. Him and the goats have been getting along fine. Him and Gravy have actually become pretty good friends. But Hannibal will be going back to hang out in the Buck area probably this weekend. So he has done his job. Rogue is over there. Poppy is over here. They were the last 2 holdouts to go into heat because that's how it goes. The one goat you want to go into heat is the last goat to go into heat. But he'll get moved back and then we can open this back up so the girls can eat it down because 3 goats is just not enough to keep this down. Hi, Gravy. Gravy's ready for dinner too. So things didn't exactly go as planned, and that's okay. We were hoping that we could release them in with the girls, but they're perfectly fine where they're at right now, and they've got plenty of grass to eat over there as well. So not really too concerned, but it just goes to show you, because you think you think something's going to go the way you want it to, sometimes it doesn't. And you just got to adjust fire and figure out something else. So we're going to just let them hang out. And then maybe by the time the cows rotate through all of the paddocks again and get back to the front paddock, they'll be big enough. And if not, Jesse was thinking that he may actually just put them in this front paddock for a little while so they can get used to just being on the hot wire, being on the 3-strand, which we might do that as well. But everything is kind of play it by ear with us being so busy with markets and had a lot of rain. So it is what it is, but we'll figure it out eventually. So it is about time to start milking all of the girls. So I'm going to end this video now. So if you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really does help. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.